makeup tutorial
video, I am
for
going to be
beginners.
showing you the absolute beginner makeup tutorial step by step, the easiest and the quickest way. First things first, you want to start with a fresh canvas, so you want to cleanse and moisturize your skin. To cleanse and moisturize your skin, get micellar water. A cotton pad or a cotton wool will work. Make sure you come down to your neck area. Look at my skin. See, imagine applying makeup on this. After cleansing your skin, the next step is to go ahead and moisturize, and I'm using Deep Moisture from Lavida. The excess of moisturizing is to add hydration to your skin, and this allows your foundation to have something to stick to, and this helps your foundation to glide on smoothly. Regardless of the skin type you have, you need to moisturize. Just make sure you get a moisturizer that works for your skin types, or get a moisturizer that says for all skin types. So guys, after cleansing your skin, you want to give this moisturizer some time to settle. Give it a little bit of time to settle, so that way when you apply your foundation, it's not going to start lifting up, it's not going to start smearing around. So you want to make sure you give each application, especially when you are prepping your skin, give each application some time to settle before the next application. So now that our moisturizer has settled into our skin, we can now go ahead and apply the next product, which is going to be our primer. So using the primer depends on what skin type you have. I'm using this Stay Matte from Rimmel London because I have oily skin. When you're using your primer, you use it where it is needed. If you have combination skin, use your primer just by the T-zone area, which is here and down the bridge of your nose. That is where you need your primer. But if you oil all over your face, you want to apply your primer all over your face. But for me, I like to just apply my primer in the T-zone area, because I like to retain moisture at the side of my face. And primer helps your foundation to last really, really long. It stands as a barrier between your foundation and your skin. So always make sure you use your primer, and pick your primer according to what your skin type is. So I'm going to work this into my skin. The next step is to apply a foundation. So the excess of your foundation is to even out your skin and to prepare your skin for the next product to stay on. So you want to choose your foundation based on your skin type, your skin tone, the coverage you want, the finishing you are looking for, your skin undertone. So guys, if you want more in-depth tutorial on how to choose foundation, please let me know in the comment section. So I am using Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus conceal, and this shade is in Tan. To apply your foundation, start in the center part of your face and work your way towards the outer part of your face. For your foundation, you don't need so much. You just need it to even out your skin and to give you a nice and flawless look. So I'm going to be using an angle stippling brush. This is from Ruba Beauty. I'm using this to tap the foundation into my skin. When you're applying your foundation, you tap into your skin really well, and make sure you spend a good amount of time while applying your foundation, so it stays where it is applied and it doesn't move. Always make sure you extend your foundation to your neck area. You can see with the little application, you see how this covered up and created a really nice base. You also want to go ahead and use your beauty sponge. Always make sure you apply your foundation with your brush first, then afterwards you go ahead with your beauty sponge just to even out things. In case the foundation leaves any streaks line, your beauty sponge is what will stand as smoothing tools. Next step is a concealer. The excess of your concealer is to cancel out and cover up any blemishes you have on your skin, and also it is used for brightening under the eyes. So if you apply your foundation like I just did, you can notice that I still have some spots showing through. So if you have consign on your skin that you really want to cover up completely, that is where concealer comes in. Don't go ahead and keep applying your foundation. Doing that will cause cakiness. So when you're applying your concealer, use a brush like this, and this is from Vika Bell. Pick up the concealer and go to the area you want to cover. So when you're picking a concealer, pick a shade that is close to your skin color or your perfect shade. That way it will camouflage that spot really well. You can also place it under your eyes just to give your other eyes a flawless look. So this is not the part where you highlight, this is the part when you are creating a flawless under eye look. And most especially if you have a deep set eyes, or you have dark circle, or your eyes are tired, you can already tell the difference between this part and this. After putting all this in place, the next step is to use a powder to set this in place. You can't leave your face like this without setting it. If you don't set it, it's going to smear. If you touch or hug somebody, it's going to transfer to that person's skin. So the excess of the powder is just to tone down and make sure the shine on your face is reduced. Next is to go ahead and apply our blush. The excess of blush is to add color to your face and make your face or your overall makeup look appealing. So when you're applying your blush, smile. You see this part here, please don't place blush here. Place blush above the most pointy part of your cheek. That way this is going to further lift up your face. If your blush appears to be too much, use your foundation brush to blend it to cancel out the excess. For your brows, brush your brows up and just follow the shape of your brows, natural shape of your brows. This is not the time to start following Instagram brows. You need to first of all get the basics first before going ahead to start implementing what you see on Instagram. So I'm going to draw the shape of my brows first. You don't have to be perfect, but with consistency, guys, you'll get it right. So just follow the shape like so, the down part and the upper part of your brows, then brush it properly to distribute the brow products in between the brow hairs. The next step is to use your foundation to clean the brows with a flat edge brush to give it a polished top side like so. When you are done, take a brush to blend the concealer into your skin or the foundation so you don't have any lines showing above your brows and under your brow. Just make sure you blend it well into your skin. Also make sure you extend the blending of the concealer on your lid to mute out any discoloration. So guys, the next product is to use a mascara in your eyes. Place your mascara at the root of your lashes and wiggle it up. Mascara is your best friend, most especially to your eyes. This tidy up your eyes and make it look appealing. Use a black pencil in your waterline to tidy it up. Get a lip gloss that has a tint of color in it. Guys, add a bit of glow to leave your face looking glowy and looking appealing, because after all we applied, we really used a lot of powders, so we don't want to look all flat. We want to look glowy at the same time. We don't want to look super shiny, so you need to apply a bit of glow at the highest point of your face to bring it forward, and also to blend your blush into your face. So guys, to seal everything in place so it doesn't move around throughout the day, you need to make use of a setting spray. So I'm going to spray my T-zone down my nose, side and the other side, and this is the correct way to spray your setting spray. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with your fellow beginners. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.